What's up everybody, this is KG. I'm coming to you today from Chef Pop's kitchen, which has been newly renovated. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the renovation we did in the kitchen here, including the new flooring, paint job, and what we did with the cabinets, counters, sinks, stove, etc. So please come on in and have a look. Okay, so let's have a walk into the kitchen. And you can see there's new cabinet doors all the way across. And I'm just going to pan across here. And you've got your stove there with your hood. And then I'm going to pan along the bottom here where the new countertop is. New sink, new faucet. And we've got our microwave over here. Some drawers below. And up across here is our fridge with some storage near the top. And I keep turning, you can see into our living room from there. And then on this side of the kitchen is more cabinets and a dishwasher. That's a mobile dishwasher that was there previously. And a new black colored countertop in this corner. And some more storage shelving along here. And then if you look from out here, you can see the bottom shelves here with the drawers and doors. So one interesting feature about our kitchen renovation here is that this is the original counter space. Inside of here, behind here, is the original counters, and what we changed is only the doors, the cabinet doors, and the countertop, and our backsplash. And of course our sink is a brand new sink with it as well. But the actual framework remained from the original kitchen. So we used to have a melamine countertop, and now we have a quartz countertop. One thing I really like about our new quartz countertop is the vein design that we have in here. You can see that there's veins coming down in here, over here, and they align all the way through. And it gives it a very cool, modern type of look. And when we were looking for our materials, we fell in love with this particular style of quartz countertop, and that's why we chose it. Like I said before, the old countertop was a melamine countertop. It was a dark grayish black countertop, and now it has been replaced with this beautiful new countertop. Now in contrast, on the opposite side we had a black color countertop, and this again is another quartz countertop that went on original cabinets. And we took off the old countertop, put this new one, and it's black with white veins going through them, so it's complementary. That's more of a beige or pinkish type of a countertop on the other side with this black and white one. They contrast, but they go together really well. The next thing I wanted to show you was our soft close hinge doors. We picked a nice brushed nickel handle over here, so it's easy to open these doors, as you can see. And then when we close them, you'll see they close nice and soft, and it's a nice feature to have for kitchen doors. Our old doors did not have this feature. This one does, and I'm enjoying using it. And we have a similar feature here with our drawers. Again, it's a soft closing style, so you close it and then it doesn't make any noise when you close it. So it's nice to upgrade to this modern style of hinges. And also the material on top is a glossy type finish. So a smooth glossy finish, which is easy to maintain, easy to keep clean, and it looks very nice as well. Now for those of you who watch our cooking videos, this direction and this view should be a familiar view to you. This is where we always typically start our cooking videos and do the introductions. And if you remember, the old color in the back here was dark gray. Our walls were painted a dark gray. So now they're a shiny white color, and it brightens up the whole kitchen. So it's like white doors, white walls, and even one side of the countertops is a lighter color as well. So the whole kitchen is a lot brighter than it used to be. And we changed our hood from like a white colored hood to a stainless steel hood. Along with our stove is also a stainless steel finish. And our original fridge was already a stainless steel finish. So now everything kind of matches together as one. Okay, so from this view here, I'm looking straight directly up at the ceiling. You can look at our new light fixture. It's a 4 light fixture that we put in. And the brand of this light is called Facto Track Light. It is a satin nickel finish, and I got this from Reno. It's supposed to take a maximum of 60 watt bulbs in them, but I actually have LED bulbs in there, so each of these are 100 watt, and it brightens up the kitchen really nicely. Remember, an LED bulb doesn't use anywhere close to 60 watts. I think each of these bulbs are maybe 15 watts each. So it's well under the limit of the maximum amount that these light fixtures can take. So the hood I have here is the Broan Glacier 30-inch range hood with capture system, which is a superior capture of smoke and odor. This hood is a 2-speed fan with 2-level halogen lighting and 2 high-efficiency microfilters. It has max 250 CFM power, and it also has a low sound quiet fan. So let's test these out and have a look at them. Okay, so here's the lighting button. I'm going to put it on the low setting first. This is the low light setting, and this is the higher light setting. Then you have the fan here, which again is supposed to be a quiet fan. I'll do the lower setting first. So as you can see, it takes a little while for it to turn on. It turns on slowly. So it's a pretty quiet fan. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear it now on the low setting. And now I'll put it up to the higher setting. And now it's at the loudest sound it is, and it's not too loud. It has a little bit of noise, but it is a lot quieter than my original hood fan. Much quieter. So for me, I think this is a great upgrade for my hood fan. And you can see underneath here, there's the 2 filters underneath here, and you can take them out from these holes here and you can wash them. I wash them once every couple of weeks, and they're pretty easy to rinse off and put back in. So this is our new fan, or our new hood fan. Now this is our new Whirlpool stove and convection oven, regular oven combination. It's quite nice, still brand new. Been only using it for a few months now, and it's pretty good. You can see here it has 4 different elements. It has a big dual element section here, a smaller dual element section here, 2 melt sections, and also a warm zone in the middle and the back over here. So it gives you multiple cooking options, and so far we've been using it. It's really strong, really powerful, and is giving us great results. So when Pop starts cooking again on all his cooking videos, this is a stove you're gonna see, and this is what we'll be using. The next item I wanted to show you is our double sink. Our original counter also had a double sink, so with the new one, we're used to this style. So we picked the similar double sink again. And we've been using this for many years, but you have options. When you purchase the countertop, you can have a single sink, you can have one smaller, one bigger, but we picked this dual, same size each one, because that's what we had before and we like using it. So the size of this undermount stainless steel sink is 31 by 18 by 9 inches deep. Each bowl is 14 inches wide by 16 inches deep, and each one comes with its own strainer. So this strainer here keeps all the debris from going past here and clogging your drains and things of that nature. You put it back in here. It also acts as a cover to allow water to fill up inside each individual bowl. So if you want to do that, you just push it down and then you can fill water. And you can see it starts filling up inside the sink. And then when you're done, you just got to lift this strainer up a bit and it allows the water to drain. The next item I want to show you is our new faucet. It is Moen brand, the Moen Kaden. That's the model, the Moen Kaden pull down kitchen faucet. It has a spot resist stainless steel finish, so it keeps fingerprints and things from getting on there. I really like that because it doesn't get dirty very easily, so I really do like that about this faucet. It is a pull down style faucet and it goes back by itself. It has a weight on the back end of it, so it pulls it back up when you're not using it. And the design of it, it has a spray function in it, and Moen says this is a power clean spray power, which basically means it's stronger than other spray faucets. It gives a stronger pressure when you're cleaning your dishes. and it is a 3-function spray, so I'll demonstrate that right now. So let's just turn on the faucet. Over here the back is the hot. If you move it to the front, it's cold. And in the middle we got some warm water. So this is the regular water stream right now coming out. If you want to turn on the power spray, you click the bottom. That's your second function, so you got spray power coming. And then the third option is you can actually push the top and hold it. So it prevents the water from coming out altogether. So you can stop the water, and then when you want it to flow again, you just let it go. So you let it go, it comes back in, and you let it go here, and it pulls back up into a regular faucet again. So you can clean, you can pause, you can clean again, you can put on the spray, and you can pull out and clean dishes. So it is a really nice functional faucet, and it looks really pretty as well. Okay, so let's close it up now. The other funny thing about these door handles and why my dad picked them is they have this little part on top, and he likes to put his towels and dish towels right in this little hook over here, so it's convenient for that purpose as well. So that's one of the reasons he picked this particular door handle. Now when you're looking at the backsplash, you will see the backsplash is the same quartz material as the quartz countertop. And what we did here was, instead of tiling or retiling the wall, we actually just overlaid the original tiles with a quartz slab. And what that does is give us a solid finish, and this is easy to clean, easy to maintain, and it looks really beautiful. And luckily the company we hired was considerate enough to make sure that all the veins from the wall section align with the veins on the countertop as best as possible. So it looks like one continuous stone or slab. So now this is much cleaner and much nicer for maintenance purposes, and it looks really pretty as well. So the next item I wanted to talk to you about is our flooring. This is an SPC waterproof vinyl flooring, and it gets installed just like laminate flooring. The cool thing about these floors is that they went in right over top of our old floors, so we didn't have to take them off. So in our kitchen area, we had original square vinyl tiles. This went right over top of that. And we also liked it so much that we ended up using it in our living room as well. And in our living room, we used to have old parquet flooring, and this actually went right over top of the parquet flooring as well. So it was very convenient in a lot of ways because we didn't have to remove all the furniture from our home. We just moved it to one side, started putting in the new flooring, and as we were putting it in, we were moving the furniture back onto the finished portions. And it was a quick job. Our kitchen got done in about 2 hours, and our living room area got done in about 4.5 hours. The other cool thing is all our baseboards in our living room and even in our kitchen here, they didn't have to come off or do anything special with it. They just put the new flooring, and they put these quarter round finishes all the way around. So it's a clean looking finish all the way around the apartment, and it is a very good flooring. So this waterproof flooring is meant for commercial use, and because it's vinyl and waterproof, it's easy to maintain and keep clean. Like if dirt or anything gets on here, you can just wipe it off or mop it off with a cloth or a mop, and it is meant to last for like about 30 years or so in a commercial use. This is a really good quality flooring. It is only 8 millimeters thick. It has a 2 millimeter EVA padding on the bottom, so you don't have to put any kind of underlay. It comes with the underlay included, and it's not too thick, and it's a really strong material. It's hard to damage this. Even if you drop something on here, it doesn't dent very easily. And also this has groovy material in it. It's not a smooth finish. It has some grooves which make it nice to walk on. It's not slippery, and I really like this finish. And if you look at it, it looks just like a real hardwood floor. If I didn't tell you this was vinyl, you may think it is actual hardwood finish. And the other good thing is, unlike hardwood, you never really have to refinish this floor again. This will stay like this for many years. So over here I'm showing you the transition strip from the kitchen area to the dining room area. And the reason I had to put one in here is because we have cable wires running underneath. But this is a flat transition strip, and it worked out really well over here. Another area we needed a transition strip was from our living room to our hallway. And this one is a little bit different. It has a bit of a curve on it. And this gives a transition from one level to the other, from a higher to a lower level. So if we come out now into our dining area from the kitchen, you can see a brand new floor in here. It looks really nice. And that's my desk over there. And then if I turn here, this is our living room area. Now, our living room area, if you look on the floor, we also have a brand new carpet. And it has a nice geometrical design in it. Has some circles in there and also some abstract colors and patterns. So we found this on Amazon. It's an 8x10 rug. And it cost about 250 bucks and got delivered right to our front door. And we're very, very happy with this rug. So if you like what you see, you can definitely look for the same one on Amazon. And you can see this goes all the way, and that is our hallway over here. So our whole living room has been converted to this new flooring. And what used to be here was a parquet floor before. So the parquet got replaced with the vinyl flooring, a new carpet, and it looks like a brand new condo now. So I wanted to show you a sample piece of the flooring. Run my fingers across and you can hear the sound. That shows you the grooves in the flooring. It looks almost like a maple kind of finish, maple wood. And again, it's 8 millimeters thick. So you see the bottom here, this is that 2 millimeter EVA padding. And then you have 6 millimeters for the rest of the material here. And this is a very solid, a hard material. It's very hard to damage it, and the top is your finish here. So from this angle you can probably see the grooves really well. And this edge here is part of the drop and lock system. So this goes in just like laminate flooring. Each piece is 8 millimeters thick, 6 inches wide by 48 inches deep, and you just drop and lock it into place. So I got an example of the other piece, or the connecting piece. So it's as simple as just putting it into place, lining it up, and just putting it down. And you can see that will be your hard line for your floor. And you just keep putting them in place like this, and then eventually you get your full flooring system completed. Again, it's a very, very good quality flooring. It's definitely more expensive than some other ones, but this will be long lasting and good for many years. So I hope you enjoyed the review of my brand new kitchen renovation. I look forward to start making brand new cooking videos with my father, Chef Pops, again in this kitchen. So all of you stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave them below in the comments section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so. And remember to hit the bell button so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And remember to share this video with all of your friends. Take care, and we'll see you guys again next time. Peace out.